Hi, in this video we are going to see the different faculty job notifications from the multiple government colleges, and here the designations are lecturer, instructor and assistant professor, and here eligibility is only post graduation. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments after watching this video. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phone, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the different government colleges faculty job notifications. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies from Andhra Pradesh, India. So from this one here, we got the detailed notification for the contract faculty positions on 29th October 2021. So the government of Andhra Pradesh has established the Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge in 2008 to cater to the educational needs of the meritorious rural youth of the Andhra Pradesh. So every year 1100 students per campus are admitted into the 2-year pre-university course leading to 4-year BTech program. And its constituent campuses also you may check down in the following locations. So one is a Newsweed, and next one is RK Valley, and next one is Cherla and Ongole. Okay, and the districts are also mentioned here. And RGUKT invites applications from eligible candidates in the following cadres of teaching positions on purely temporary contract basis in the below mentioned disciplines for only the academic year 2021 to 22. Fine. The contract period is not at all extendable, and the guest faculty who worked previously with RGUKT may also apply if interested. Fine. And here I may check down the lecturer contract vacancies, and the assistant professor also contract based, and the instructor for the physical education, yoga, music and fine arts are there. And coming to the PUC program, that is a pre-university program. So here the subjects are mathematics, physics, chemistry, English and biology. And coming to the BTech programs, here the engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering and mechanical engineering. And coming to the science and humanities, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, English, management, humanities, economics and sociology, social work and psychology. Okay, so these are the subjects, guys. So I think few multiple departments are covered here. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. And the faculty positions are purely temporary and carry consolidated salary without any allowances. The term of appointment will be only for the academic year 2021 to 22 and not at all extendable. Their appointment also will be subject to the fulfillment of the regular positions. Right? And the minimum qualifications and consolidated salary, the salary is not mentioned here as per the norms they mentioned. So coming to the lecturer qualification, applicants must have the PG degree, MA or MSc or MCom in the relevant subject or language with a minimum of 50% of aggregate of marks in the PG degree examination from any recognized university. And coming to the assistant professor, the qualification required here is MTech or MSc or MBA or MA with a NET or SLET or SET or PhD. That means the candidates who are having the MA, okay, they are mentioned with a NET or SLET or SET or PhD must be there. Fine. And coming to the instructor for yoga or music or the fine arts, applicants must have passed with the minimum of 50% of aggregate of marks or else MA or diploma in yoga or music or fine arts from any recognized university. And coming to the instructor for the physical education on contract basis, applicants must have passed BPED with a minimum of 50% aggregate of marks from any recognized university. And the selected candidates will be paid a consolidated monthly pay as per the RGUKT norm. So as per the norms they mentioned, but the clear-cut salary or the figure is not mentioned here in this notification. So if you want to get the some approximate figures, I just downloaded so many years back notification. Here they mentioned that 3.6 lakhs per annum for the lecturer and a minimum pay of 30,000 rupees per month will be available for the assistant professor category. So these are the things they mentioned, but we don't know how much they are going to pay as if right now the present notification. Whoever the interested candidates are there, they can apply online. The link is available in the official website, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And the last date to apply is the 19th November 2021 with all the relevant documents on or before 5 o'clock. Fine. And the important information is given. So rules of reservation will be followed as per the AP state government norms. And the interview dates, the applicants are advised to visit the official website regularly. No individual communication will be sent. The number of vacancies in each and every department is subject to the actual requirement. Selected candidates should be ready to work in any RG UKT campus as per the requirement. Fine. So these are the details, guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then mention your requirement in this in the comment section. Then definitely if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UG Senate exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UG Senate is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UG Senate examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UG Senate examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common. That means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. and whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.